Hello, space enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a journey to Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. Let's dive in. Mercury was known at least by Sumerian times, some 5,000 years ago. In classical Greece, it was called Apollo when it appeared as a morning star just before sunrise, and Hermes, the Greek equivalent of the Roman god Mercury, when it appeared as an evening. Mercury is a fascinating planet. It's only slightly larger than Earth's moon and has a diameter of 4,879 kilometers. Despite its small size, Mercury is very dense, with a density of 5.4 grams per cubic centimeter. This is largely due to Mercury being composed mainly of heavy metals and rock. Mercury has a unique rotation. For every 2 orbits of the Sun, which takes around 88 Earth days, Mercury completes 3 rotations about its axis. This rotation is unique to the solar system. Mercury is nearly tidally locked to the Sun, and over time this has slowed the rotation of the planet to almost match its orbit around the Sun. Mercury's surface is covered in tens of thousands of impact craters. As the iron core of the planet cooled and contracted, the surface of the planet became wrinkled. Scientists have named these wrinkles lobate scarps. These scarps can be up to a mile high and hundreds of miles long. In recent years, scientists from NASA have come to believe the solid iron core of Mercury could in fact be molten. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperature variations. The surface of Mercury, which faces the Sun, sees temperatures of up to 427 degrees C, while on the alternate side, this can be as low as minus 173 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about missions involving this planet. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury: NASA's Mariner 10 and Messenger. Mariner 10 made 3 flybys of Mercury, seeing the same side each time and revealing its crater-ridden surface and magnetic field. Messenger was the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury. The fastest spacecraft ever launched from Earth is NASA's New Horizons mission, which is traveling at about 80,000 kilometers per hour. It would take about 40 days to get from the Earth to Mercury when they're closest. However, spacecraft don't travel a straight route between planets. They follow a path that uses the least amount of energy, and so it takes them longer. For instance, NASA's Mariner 10 took 147 days to get from Earth to Mercury. The joint ESA-JAXA-Bepi-Colombo mission, launched in 2018, is currently on its way to Mercury. Bepi-Colombo will be the first mission to deliver 2 spacecraft into orbit about Mercury, the Mercury Planetary Orbiter and the Mercury Magnetospheric Orbiter. It is scheduled to arrive at Mercury in 2025. Mercury, a small yet fascinating planet, continues to intrigue scientists. Stay tuned for more exciting space facts in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.